All right, hi guys. Today I'm going to start with the garlic. It's another day, so stick around, watch me do that. All right, this is my to-do list. I've checked everything off. This was for the weekend. Today is Monday, the 25th, 6th, 5th. So I'm gonna plant my garlic. I'm gonna do these on Tuesday or Wednesday. But here's my seed garlic. I've had these in another video, but I have 18 in each tray. And then this bottom tray is the ones that were too small. So I may plant some of them anyway. So let's see how it goes once I start the bed. So let's go on outside. Okay, here is the red touche garlic. These are actually were the larger bulbs that I had out of all of the sea garlic that I purchased. I went ahead and placed 16 holes here. I have 18 on there, so that's only 16 by 4. So I'm actually going to put one right here and one right there in the middle of both of them. Since I got 18, so let me set you guys up right here so you guys can watch that. I don't know if you'll be able to see me, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. You should plant them about 2 inches down. These I planted about, I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but these I planted about 2 weeks ago. These are the ones I grew from last year. So these are my seed garlic from last year, or my personal stash from, I don't know if they were at the grocery store or some seed. I did buy some seed garlic last year. Most of them died. So, and again, for garlic, the bottom side of the garlic that grows the roots is down, on the side up about 2 inches in the ground. A little deeper if you live up north. In the south, our ground don't freeze as bad, so we don't have to go as deep. And I pretty much have already fertilized this, but I'm going to put a little worm casting over top of it anyway once I finish this. And I'm going to cover it with hay. Not hay, yeah, hay. It's supposed to get cold this week, at the end of the week after Thanksgiving. It is Monday the 25th. I'm on my lunch break. I'm working it down good, making sure it's making good contact with the soil and standing straight up. I'm going to put the 2 smaller ones back there on that back row, because the bigger the bulb, the bigger your garlic head is going to be. So the smaller ones will make a smaller head, so it'll be okay to be back there. And pretty much they're all the same size. So this soil is awfully loose. I have a mold. Something. It's just going down. Okay. That one. Then it probably ain't, I don't think it's no board behind this one too. So that's another thing. Alright, got them all in there. I'm going to cover them up. Got the name tag already there. This is to identify from my seed garlic, from my personal garlic. They got a little bit of wood chips in here from that some soil I bought that was full of chips or compost or something. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna water it in, put some worm casting and water it in. So hold on. Okay, I got these worm castings. I just put some in this bucket and got some water, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on over top of this, and then water it in. It is wet, but it's fine. It's gonna be wet anyway once I water it. But I do wanna break it up some, because it does have big old chunks in it. And that's it, pretty much all. Since this had already been fertilized before I put the onions in here to grow. So it's good. And I'll give it some fish motion once they break ground. And then I'll do the summer. Alright, now let's water them in good. That is it for planting my garlic. I do have 2 more of these containers to plant. I'm planting them in another bed, but it's the same process, so no need to see that. I will probably put in a clip of the end or wherever I plant them, because I have not quite decided 100% on where I'm going to throw them. But I'm just trying to plant a year's worth of garlic plus some to make garlic powder as well, and then some to save for the following year. So I'm trying to keep tags on them so I know what's what. So when I can see if one grew better than the other one, I might put some in some pots, because I grew pots last year and they did pretty decent. So containers rather, pots, containers, same difference. Anyway, all right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.